What's up guys, Engineered for Speed here. I'm Gavin. Today's video we're going to be installing the Foster supercharger whine mod on a 2011 Mustang GT with a VMP gen2r blower. Here is the kit. Comes with a drill bit, some grease, the elbow for the intake, some gaskets, and the diaphragm for the interior. And then here is the sound tube. So over here, this hole down here, that is where the factory sound tube location is. So that's one end's gonna go in there, and then we're gonna take our intake off here, and we're just going to drill a hole into the underside of the intake here to put the other end of the sound tube in. All right, so we got the hole drilled here. So we're gonna take this rubber grommet here and then slide this into place here, and I'll show you that once it's in. So now that that's in, we're gonna take this piece right here, and this end is going to go into here. So now we got it installed here and under the engine bay. Routes down under here into the factory sound tube location, and then there is where it connects in on the intake. So I'll show you the interior part now. So then right up here where that tube is, up there, that is where it comes into the interior. So we're in the driving part. My dad's the cameraman.
Morning.
This will be a normal drive in here. It's kind of like more of an induction noise than like blow or whine. So that was the Foster Sound Mod whine for my 2011 Mustang GT with the VMP gen2r blower. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I personally think it's perfect, not obnoxious on normal driving. Sounds really good when you're in it. Brought the whine into the cabin just like I wanted. So this is Gavin with Engineered for Speed, signing off. See ya.